Rely on friendship means an awful lot to everybody who works at the Friendship State Bank. It's kind of our credo. It's how we view the world and our customers and ourselves. We want to be reliable. Reliable means that you can trust us. It means that we'll do what we say we're going to do. It means that we're going to be fair. And it means we're going to contribute to our community as much as we possibly can on many levels. One level is being treated with dignity, respect, and the best possible financial services, but we also have a responsibility to all of our employees. You'll find that people have been here a long time, and there's a reason for that. Not only do we offer good compensation, but opportunity to grow, a safe place to work, a place where we value your free time as well as your work time. And then we have a responsibility to our shareholders. A lot of them are based right here in this community. They live right next door to you, across the street from you, down the block from you. Our shareholders have a stake in this community as well. So we have a stake in the community, our employees have a stake in us and the community, and our shareholders certainly want our area to thrive. And that's why we operate the way we do. And that is what Rely on Friendship means. It means we're going to be beholden and responsible to our community on several levels. And you can always rely on friendship.
Friendship State Bank, rely on friendship. Friendship State Bank.